Hi, I'm Dr. Jimmy Lopez. I'm from Chicago.
I'm Dr. Ashlyn Gazarowski. I'm from Chicago as well.
We came to Maggie's foundational branding meeting because we were literally lost.
If you know us, like we've started many businesses in the past. Some have done okay. Some have withered at the vine, so to speak. And the one thing that I can say is that this is a must to have that foundation down. The hard questions that you hate to ask or answer do as a business owner. Maggie makes it just easy, and you're set and ready to go.
Yeah, we were discussing this the other night, is like being able to look back at what's been missing in the businesses that we've had and where communication has gone wrong.
Yeah.
And after going through these past few days, it's like very evident in those hiccups and those challenges, those hurdles that we've had, what was missing. It was very confusing to us at the time, but after going through this process, it's like, oh, that's where we could have used this. So it's been an absolutely amazing experience.
What I'm taking away, I think what we're taking away is, when you go to an adventure like this, you think, give me the logo, give me the website, and just bring me all the clients, and we'll be done with it. So what I'm taking away with that is like so much more an actual game plan. We have an action plan now. We have the logo, we have the website, we have everything for it now. But now we have a reason and a purpose and a why behind it.
Another thing which I think is really valuable is the ability to create a culture. Looking at other businesses that we admire and look up to, and to be able to see like what these owners and founders have created. And that's what we've really gained from here, is the ability to create a culture, create communication, build an actual trusting team with the confidence that we know that it's coming from the values that Maggie brought out within ourselves as a team, to be able to express and communicate that with whoever we decide to work with.
I see this workshop being, it could be any point along the path of like where your business is, whether it's you're in creation, you're not sure what you have, or if you're an operating business, to be able to backtrack it and do this work and put it in. I see it essential for both. As we're going through the work, I'm thinking of businesses and I'm thinking of friends that already exist, or that they could be so much different. If you've seen businesses before, or you have friends that you look at them and you go, something's missing. Well, this is what's missing.
So when it comes to like this type of work, for me, I think it's anybody that is really wanting to start a foundation that sees a future in the longevity of it. To be able to recognize your inner values and then be able to speak that voice and create a brand that is actually yours. Like the perfect example is when we were going through that the other day, we were talking about who we are, and it's happening right now. Like I started to get like emotional about it, and it was like, I didn't know why. And then now like processing it, it's like, because what we've created is actually coming from within. It's not just something we're writing down on paper to connect with the potential client or customer. It's actually something that's been born innately within us that we're able to express out now, and not only give it to the world, but be able to enroll the people we work with and build a tribe.
If there's anything I could say to somebody that was considering on taking this course, is, hey, do it and get excited and get ready and hold on to your hat, because you're going to be supercharged out of the gate.